Dear students, good morning. Yesterday we studied methods of preparation of haloalkane. Fourth method is from halogen exchange. Okay, by halogen exchange. Two types. First is Finkelstein reaction. Okay. RX alkyl halide. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide plus NaI. NaI is sodium iodide. In presence of dry acetone. Okay. Alkyl halide X may be Cl or Br. Okay. Alkyl halides reacts with sodium iodide are positive, X negative, Na positive, I negative, Na plus यहाँ से X माइनस यहाँ से NaX. Ri alkyl iodide plus NaX sodium halide. NaX. Okay. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to give alkyl iodide Ri. Formula of acetone CH3 C double bond में O CH3 acetone. Okay, 1 2 3 2 propanol. Okay. Alkyl halide reacts with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to give alkyl iodide. Okay. B. Short reaction. B. Short reaction. Okay. Alkyl halide RX is alkyl halide. RX alkyl halide reacts with AgF silver chloride. Okay. R positive, X negative, Ag plus F minus. Ag plus यहाँ से X minus यहाँ से RF alkyl chloride plus AgX. Okay. Alkyl halide reacts with AgF to give alkyl chloride. Okay. RF alkyl chloride. Okay. Short reaction. In this reaction, alkyl halide reacts with AgF silver chloride to give alkyl chloride. Okay. Number 5th reaction. Number 5th from Hunsaker reaction. Name reaction है from Hunsaker reaction. Number 5th from Hunsaker reaction. Okay. From Hunsaker reaction. Okay. Carboxylic acid. Functional group of carboxylic acid is C double bond में OOH. Carboxylic acid. Suffix oic acid. Silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with Br2 in presence of CCl4 to give RBr alkyl bromide. Okay. Silver salt of carboxylic acid are C double bond में OAG. Silver salt of carboxylic acid reacts with Br2, okay, in presence of CCl4 carbon tetrachloride, okay, Ag पॉजिटिव Br नेगेटिव, तो Ag प्लस यहां से और Br माइनस यहां से AgBr, ये CO2 RBr एल्किल ब्रोमाइड प्लस CO2 और प्लस AgBr, ओके। सिल्वर साल्ट ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड reacts with Br2 in presence of CCl4 to give alkyl bromide RBr, okay. Number 6 reaction from primary amines, 6 reaction from primary amines, okay. Amines 3 types, 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine and 3 degree amine. NH3 is ammonia, NH3, okay, NH3 ammonia, okay. Replacement of one hydrogen atom of ammonia by one alkyl group are NH2, 1 degree amine, okay, minus 2H plus 2R, okay. Replacement of two hydrogen atom of ammonia by two alkyl group R N R H, 2 degree amine, okay. And next minus 3H plus 3R, replacement of 3 hydrogen atom of ammonia by 3 alkyl group N R R R, 3 degree amine, okay. From primary amine reacts with nitrosyl chloride, primary amine R NH2, primary amine, okay. RNH2 is primary amine, reacts with nitrosyl chloride plus and double bond में OCl, nitrosyl chloride, okay. Tilde reagent, okay. RCl alkyl chloride plus H2O plus N2, तो RCl alkyl chloride plus N2 और प्लस H2, ओके. Primary amines reacts with the nitrosyl chloride tilde reagent to give RCl alkyl chloride, okay. Next, methods of preparation of haloalkane complete, okay. Next topic is physical properties of haloalkanes. Physical properties of haloalkanes. physical properties of haloalkane. Okay, next topic, physical properties of haloalkane. First, all the alkyl halides are colorless in pure form. Okay, all the alkyl halides okay, all the alkyl halides are colorless in pure form. In pure form. Okay, all the alkyl halides are colorless in pure form, but in presence of sunlight, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide, but in presence of sunlight, okay, but in presence of sunlight, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide टर्न येलोविश, पीले पड़ जाते हैं. ओके, all the alkyl halides are colorless in pure form, but in presence of sunlight, RBr, alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide turn yellowish. Second physical property, alkyl halides are insoluble in water. Alkyl halides are insoluble in water. Okay, alkyl halides are insoluble in water, but soluble in alcohol, ether and benzene. Okay, alcohol, ether and benzene are organic solvent. Okay, alkyl halides are insoluble in water but soluble in aromatic solvent. Aromatic solvent means alcohol, ether and benzene. Okay, CH3Cl methyl chloride, CH3Br methyl bromide, C2H5Cl ethyl chloride are in gaseous states. State. Okay, whereas other alkyl halides are in liquid or solid state. Okay, CH3Cl, CH3Br, C2H5Cl are in gaseous state, whereas other alkyl halides are in liquid or solid state. Okay, alkyl halide burn with a green color flame. Alkyl halide एल्किल हैलाइड, एल्किल हैलाइड बर्न जलते हैं, एल्किल हैलाइड बर्न विद ए ग्रीन कलर फ्लेम, ग्रीन कलर फ्लेम, ओके। एल्किल हैलाइड बर्न विद ए ग्रीन कलर फ्लेम। फिफ्थ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज बोइलिंग पॉइंट, बोइलिंग पॉइंट, बोइलिंग पॉइंट। फिफ्थ बोइलिंग पॉइंट बीपी, ओके। बोइलिंग पॉइंट, ओके। order of boiling point in alkyl halide and corresponding hydrocarbons, Rx alkyl halide, okay, Rx is alkyl halide, okay, RR alkane corresponding alkane hydrocarbons, corresponding hydrocarbons means molecular mass same. Order of boiling point, order of boiling point, okay. Boiling point of alkyl halide is greater than corresponding hydrocarbons, okay, because alkyl halide is polar in nature, so force of attraction is maximum in haloalkane. Hydrocarbons means alkane non-polar, so we can say boiling point of haloalkane is greater than corresponding hydrocarbons. Corresponding hydrocarbons means molecular weight, molecular mass same, okay. Next, CS3F, CS3Cl, CS3Br and CS3I, okay. CS3F, CS3Cl, CS3Br, CS3I. Order of boiling point, order of boiling point, okay. Increasing order, boiling point increase with increase of molecular mass. देखो boiling point of CS3I maximum because molecular mass maximum. Molecular mass maximum होगा, force of attraction maximum. Force of attraction is maximum, so we can say boiling point of CS3I is maximum, okay. Boiling point increase with increase in molecular mass, okay. In isomeric haloalkanes means molecular mass same, for example CH3, CH2, Br, 1 degree alkyl halide, okay, unbranched. CH3, CH, Br, CH2, CH3, 2 degree haloalkane. 2 bromobutane, CH3, C, CH3, Br, CH3, 3 degree haloalkane. Order of boiling point, order of boiling point, okay. Molecular mass same, number of carbon atom 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 number of carbon atoms same, molecular weight same, order of boiling point 1 degree maximum. Okay, unbranched alkyl halide, branched alkyl halide. Okay, in isomeric alkyl halide, boiling point of branched alkyl halide is less than unbranched alkyl halide, because in branched alkyl halide molecules spherical shape ग्रहण कर लेता है, जिससे सरफेस एरिया डिक्रीज मिनिमम एंड फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन इज मिनिमम. फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन मिनिमम इन ब्रांच्ड alkyl halide, then boiling point is minimum. Okay, in isomeric alkyl halide boiling point of branched alkyl halide is minimum than unbranched alkyl halide. Okay, 6 physical properties of haloalkane. Number 6. Okay, alkyl iodide is more reactive. Ri, alkyl iodide is more reactive than Rf, RCl, RBr, because I large size, easily break. Okay, alkyl iodide most reactive than other haloalkane. So in presence of sunlight, alkyl iodide decomposes into alkane and iodine to RR alkane plus iodine. Alkane. Okay, alkyl iodide is more reactive. Alkyl iodide in presence of sunlight, alkyl iodide decomposes into alkane and iodine. Okay, physical properties of haloalkane complete. Next topic, chemical properties of haloalkane. Chemical properties of haloalkane. Okay, next topic, chemical properties of haloalkane. Okay, haloalkane show 4 types of reactions. 4 types. Okay, haloalkane shows 4 types of reaction. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, alkyl halide show 4 types of reaction. First is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second, elimination reaction. Elimination reactions. Okay. Third, reaction with metals. Reaction with metals. Okay. Fourth, reduction reaction. reduction reactions, okay. Haloalkane shows four types of reaction. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction, second, elimination reaction, third, reaction with metals, and fourth, reduction reactions, okay. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay. First, nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay. CX carbon halogen bond, CX carbon halogen bond. Carbon halogen bond is polar in nature. Halogen atom is more electronegative atom than carbon atom. Then we can say partial negative charge appears on halogen atom and partial positive charge appears on carbon atom. So we can say carbon halogen bond is polar in nature, okay. Okay. RX a लिखी लेना है, okay. RX a लिखी लेना है plus Nu minus nucleophile, Nu minus nucleophile, okay. X partial negative charge and partial positive charge. Nu minus nucleophile attack on positive carbon atom and replace of halogen atom. RNu product plus X minus, okay. In this reaction, nucleophile attack on positive carbon atom and replace of halogen atom. So this reaction known as nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay. Nucleophilic substitution reaction, okay. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two categories, okay. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two categories, okay. So we can say nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two categories, okay. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified into two categories, okay. Nucleophilic substitution reactions are classified in two categories, ठीक. SN1 and SN2. First SN1 and second